Assalamu alaikum students. Today we are going to start with our problem set 41. Convert the following into decimal fraction and add them. So here the decimal, we have to convert this into decimal fraction and then we have to add them. So here 1.5 meter and 2.5 meter. So what we are going to do now, first we are going to find this number. So 1 and half. So 1 upon 2. So we can write it as how? 1.50. Next 2.5 meters. So I'll write here 2.5. So it will be 2.50 meters. Next, now we have to add them. So 1.50 plus 2.50 meter, here also meter. So now we will do the addition. So we are going to arrange it. 1.50. We have to see that the decimal point should come behind each other. So here one decimal point, so I am going to put decimal point. Before decimal point there is 2, after decimal point there is 50. Now we are going to add it. 0 plus 0 0, 5 plus 5 10. 0 will come here, 1 carry. Now here decimal point is there, so we are going to put the decimal point. So 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 2 4. So the answer is 1.50 meter plus 2.50 meter is equals to 4.00 meter, or we can write only 4 meter. Understood? Now we'll move on to our next sum. 4.75 rupees and 7.25 rupees. So first we will see this number. It is rupees. Understood? So first is 4.75. So we'll write here 4.75 is equals to 3 upon 4. Understood? So now 4 and 3 upon 4 we can write it as 4.75 rupees. Next, second, 7.25. So it will be 7 and 1 upon 4, which we can write it as 7.25 rupees. Understood? So now we have to add them. So I am going to put the sign of rupees. 4.75 plus 7.25, here symbol of rupees. Now I'll add them. 4.75. Now where is the decimal point? Here. So I am going to put the decimal point. Before decimal point there is 7. After decimal point there is 2 and 5. So I'll do the addition. 5 plus 5 10. 1 carry. 1 plus 7 8. 8 plus 2 10. Again 0 1 carry. Here the point is there, so I am going to put the decimal point. 1 plus 4 5. 5 plus 7 12. We get the answer here. So the answer will be rupees 4.75 plus rupees 7.25 is equals to rupees 12.00 or rupees 12. Understood? Third question. 6.5 meters and 3.75 meters. So first is 6.5 So I'll write here like 6.5. It can also be written as 6.50 meter. Next, 3 and 3/4 can be written as 3/4, which can be written as 3.75 meter. Now we have to add them. So 6.50 meter plus 3.75 meter. So I'll put here 650 decimal point. Then here the decimal point is here. So before decimal point there is 3. After decimal point there is 7 and 5. Plus 0 plus 5, 5. 5 plus 7 is how much? 12. 2 here, 1 carry. Now here the decimal point is here, so we have to put the decimal point. Then 1 plus 6, 7. 7 plus 3, 10. So now we'll get the answer as 6.50 meter plus 3.75 meter is equals to 10.25 meters. Understood? So with this we have done with problem set 41, question number 1. Now we'll move on to our question number 2. Question number 2. 23.4 plus 87.9. So here I have arranged it. So directly we are going to do the addition. 4 plus 9 is how much? 13. So I am going to put here 3, 1 carry. And here point will come as it is. So now 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 11 is, 4 plus 7 is 11. So 1 here, 1 carry. So 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 8, 11. So the answer is 23.4 plus 87.9 is equals to 111.3. So now question number 2. 35.74 plus 816.6. Now we have to do the addition. So first I am going to write 35.74. Next, where is the decimal point here? Here. So I am going to put the decimal point. Then before decimal point there is 816. So I'll arrange it like 6, 1, 8. Understood? And after decimal point there is what? 6. So I'll write here 6. Now we'll do the addition. So here number is not there, so we can put here 0, and if you don't need to write, you cannot write. You can write, or if you don't want to write, you don't write. So now 4 plus 0 is 4. 7 plus 6 is 13. So 3 here, 1 carry. Now here the decimal point is here, so I am going to put the decimal point. So now 1 plus 5, 6. 6 plus 6, 12. Again 2 here, 1 carry. So now 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. And 8. So here we get the answer as 35.74 plus 816.6 is equals to 852.34. Understood? Now we'll do the third sum. 6.95 plus 74.88. So I'll arrange it here first. First I'll write this number 6.95. Now we have to arrange it in such a manner that we can do the addition. So now here the decimal point is here. So I'll put the decimal point here. Then before decimal point there is 74. So I'll write here 4 and 7. Now after decimal point there is 8 and 8. You have to see to it that the decimal point of both the numbers should come behind each other. If you will write like this, 6.95 plus 74.88. This is wrong. You cannot write like this. You have to write like this. So now I'll write the plus sign. Now we'll do the addition. 5 plus 8 is how much? 13. 3 here, 1 carry. 1 plus 9, 10. 10 plus 8, 18. So 8 here, 1 carry. Now the decimal point is here, so I'll put the decimal point here. 1 plus 6, 7. 7 plus 4, 11. So 1 here, 1 carry. 1 plus 7, 8. So we get the answer as 81.83. Now last sum, fourth sum we will do. 41.03 plus 9.98. Again we will arrange here. First I'll write this number, 41.03. Then next digit. So here is the decimal point. I'll put decimal point here. 98. So I'll put here 98. And 9 is here. So I'll put here 9. Plus 3 plus 8 is how much? Yes, 11. 1 carry. 1 plus 0, 1. 1 plus 9, 10. So 1 here, 0 here, 1 carry. Here is the decimal point. So I'll put here decimal point. Now 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 9, 11. 1 here, 1 carry. And 1 plus 4 is 5. So here we get the answer as 41.03 plus 9.98 is equals to 51.01. So now till this we have done. Now we'll continue in our next lecture, problem set 41, question number 3.